think about an instance where kapag kinuwento mo yung sama ng loob mo sa isang tao, parang yung reaction nila na ganito. Think of a situation where you're talking to someone, parang naglalabas ka ng sama ng loob. Tapos yung isang tao naman na sinasabihan mo, parang ganito na sila. So, same thoughts, same meaning, pero different interpretation. Maybe in that situation, parang parang super galit ka sa isang tao. Tapos yung thoughts mo, yung interpretation mo, yung meaning mo, lahat negative. Pero sa isang tao, parang neutral lang ang kanyang situation. Why is that? That same meaning, pero merong different impact sa isang tao. Sana isulat ko sa aking journal. Oh, wait lang. Medyo parang ang lightings. Wait lang. Uy, same lightings. Ayan. Anyways, take a moment lang po. Yan. Okay. So, dito sa aking journal is nakasulat na, other people can't make you angry. Your way of thinking does. Think about it this way. For example, isa kang Pilipino, tapos pumunta ka sa bansang Indonesia, China, where ang kanilang lengguwahe is ibang-iba. What do you think will you interpret to their words? Di ba kapag yung salita hindi mo maintindihan, parang ka lang, parang, okay. Kahit na minura ka na nila, yung interpretation mo doon, parang wala lang. Why? Kasi yung sinasalita, yung words, ang interpretation mo doon is wala. At paano nagkakaroon ng interpretation ng salita? Hindi ba dahil yan sa ating pag-iisip, our way of thinking? In similar sense, ang ating way of thinking is nakadepende sa ating interpretation. Wait, parang mali ang thoughts ko. Anyways. So, in simple sense, ang ating nararamdaman is nakadepende sa ating way of thinking. Hindi tayo magagalit kung in-interpret natin ang event in positive manner. Think about it this way. For example, meron kang isang tauhan. Sabi niya, Boss! Bad news. Nalulugi yung business natin. Base po sa financial report sa nakaraang week, bumaba po ng 50% yung sales. What do you think will happen to that same boss with negative mindset? Malamang magpapanik na siya. Malamang parang gagalit na siya. Magiging irritable. Pero if yung same boss na yan have a positive mindset na, okay, so yung strategy natin ngayon is mali. What can we do to improve? Okay. Interesting. Okay. Ganito gawin mo. For the next week, baguhin natin yung yung approach. You see, in an event or circumstances sa ating experiences, ang ating mood, ang ating emotions, nakadepende sa ating pag-iisip. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, other people cannot make you angry. Kahit na murahin ka pa nila, kahit na yung sinabi nila make you insecure. Pero, kung ang iyong pag-iisip, ang iyong mindset, or your way of interpretation or interpreting the event is positive, you always view things in a positive light. You always view things in a more opportunistic side. Isn't it that your emotions, you will feel motivated, you will feel parang intrigued, challenge. So next time na may mga taong nakakagalit sa iyo, try to think of something or try to see it in a positive light. Kasi hindi ka naman talaga magagalit sa isang tao kung yung meaning, kung yung interpretation mo sa kanya is hindi negative, hindi positive. Naalala ko tuloy kahapon. So, di ba kasi meron kaming SSLG events. And sa SSLG, parang nagsuggest na magpakain doon sa mga teachers. So, and mga designs, decors, so stage preparation. So, sa stage preparation is merong Yes O Club. Isang club siya sa school. Tapos, sila yung naka-assign sa stage decor. So, in that day, hiniram nila yung susi sa faculty. Ang sabi, ibabalik lang doon ng madali. Pero, the problem is, hindi nila yung binalik in that day. Kundi binalik yon the other day na. So, I, as someone who is in charge of the event, someone who is responsible, ako yung pinagalitan. You see, in that circumstances, ang una kong na-feel na emotions is parang galit ako. Parang disappointed ako. Pero, when I start to take control, when I start to think in a positive light na, ay, kaya pala na ganito kasi nakalimutan ko magtugon, nakalimutan ko magsabi. So, partly, I am responsible for this. How can I improve? Okay, how can I avoid this next time? So, same situation, either mag-throw ako ng tantrums, pagalitan ko sila, or try to see in a more cooperative side. I can be angry to the Yes O Club, but I choose not to. Why? Because my mindset. Once your mindset is something positive, you're distributing in a positive way, other people cannot make you angry. Sure, there are exceptions, or yung values mo is talaga nalalabag. Pero, most of the time, 99% of the time, other people cannot make you angry. Once you start to take control of this. That's all.